Hey guys, it's Freddy Cosplay here, and we are back, and I'm back with another episode, part 6, I think, of The Last Door, Chapter 1. So, yeah. And the funny thing is, I'm on part 6 and it's all on the same day. The only reason is because right now there's nobody outside, play with since everyone's gone, and right now I'm just kind of having a boring summer. Yeah, I forgot to say, today is my Father's Day. So, yeah, say happy Father's Day to your dad, and yeah. Now let's go to where I thought we had to go or something earlier. I thought it was something. No, I don't know what I was thinking actually. One more. This pisses me off. Is there anything I can grab? Pretzels. So guys, you're not gonna see my face until I get a new camera, so I can show my face. And once I do, you will see my face. No, wrong place. No. Not want to go there and hear the annoying crow sound. Until I know what I need to do. Where am I going? I don't know what's... Guys, I'll be right back. So guys, I found out what I had to do. I had to use the hairpin to unlock this window. And that brings me here. Okay. There's a golden keyhole. Could it be? Dang it. look everywhere, see what it says. I'm gonna take the hammer. Okay, good, I can take the hammer. But I think I know what I have to do with the hammer. I think I might know. I think I know. Oh, I knew it. Hold on. I think this is what I use the hammer on. How? I could just smash the door open. That's a perfect idea. Gimme! 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 Guys, I'm gonna turn down the sound real quick so I don't have to hear the painful sound of the crow, since that's what I'm gonna be going into. So you might not be able to hear the sound at all, unless your sound is up very high. Jesus, because if it was up that high and you could hear it very clearly. To that I say Jesus Christ. You're crazy. To make a bigger hole? Oh, come on. I need the... What about this? That's not gonna work. Eight. I'm never gonna find out what this hammer is used for. Unless... Please. If this doesn't work, I'm going to end the episode right here. Well, even if it does work. And it's not gonna work, what do you guys say? If it's gonna work or not. Oh, come on! Who cares about making a mess? Come on. Did I say what they have? Well, I'm gonna end the episode here. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you stuff the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.